File Explorer is essentially a control center for Windows. Here you can search files, copy, move or delete them, or create a new folder. The traditional way involves using a mouse and some menus to access File Explorer. However, a new and bossy way is via keyboard shortcut. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to open File Explorer via shortcuts. To open File Explorer via Windows shortcut keys, just press Windows and E. And as you can see, the File Explorer has been opened. From here you can navigate to the files and the folders. Here you can also create a new folder or delete them or move them. Now that you have learned probably the easiest way to open File Explorer, let's see some other ways too. Now, the second easiest method is heading to the Start menu, right-clicking it, and then select File Explorer. Third way is to left-click on the Start menu and then in the search box type File Explorer. And as you can see, here is an app of File Explorer. Just click on it and it will open. Now, another way is to press the Windows key plus R and you will see a run option at the bottom. Here, just type Explorer. Press enter. And you can see you have easily opened the File Explorer. While all these ways are traditional, a more tech-savvy way is by the keyboard shortcut, which is the Windows key plus E. Make sure to use this keyboard shortcut as and when required. If you like this video, consider subscribing, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up, and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.